Hello, and welcome to part 2 of our CQM demo. Let's move on to the dashboard view. What comes to your mind when you think of a dashboard? It's like a report which displays metrics, alerts, and performance measures and allows you to drill down to find out details. That's commonplace provided by most vendors. Wouldn't it be nice to have a dashboard that not only shows you alerts and adds to the list of trouble tickets, but is intelligent to offer remediation also? IPsoft CQM dashboard does just that. It is a strategic, analytical, and operational tool that not only gives you just the alerts and details, but also gives you in-depth actionable insights to remediate and helps you keep track of your KPIs. Executive View gives you a quick overview of your overall network call quality and acts as a decision support system for management. It displays high-level network call quality trends and provides inputs necessary to drive your business. NOC, or the operation team, can go to their alert view since it allows them to drill down to deep level details for troubleshooting the alerts. My View is your personal dashboard which you can customize to display any information that is relevant to your daily routine. This is your customized view. Let's open the alert view, which gives you a graphical snapshot of call quality issues in your network. In this demo, we will discuss two use cases. The first use case will show how CQM helps national carriers with actionable insights identifying and resolving call quality issues in their network. The second use case will show how an international carrier or wholesaler can use actionable insights and recommendations provided by CQM to remove bad call quality suppliers. As you can see, the data is for 2 months. You can retrieve reports for any time interval specified here. Or you can use the date widget to specify any date between the last 2 quarters. The network view is the default view of your dashboard. It shows you the status of your network. If you're a national carrier and want to view your worst base stations, select the source view. You want to find your worst MSCs, select the next hot report. You want to find the worst destinations having call quality issues, select the destination report. You want to split by customer segment, which has the most call quality issues, select the service level view. You want to find the worst destinations that are most commonly called by your premium customers, select the destination service level view. If you're an international carrier and want to find out your worst suppliers for your expensive destinations, select service provider destination report. You want to find out which supplier is giving you most call quality issues for your premium customers, select the service provider service level view. Let's discuss the details now. This carrier had a total of 7,295 poor call quality alerts. 7,295 in 2 months. Wow, that's a lot of alerts. So let's take a look at these alerts now. This pie chart gives you the distribution of these 7,295 alerts by alert type. You can see that 45%, which translates to 3,282 alerts, are ECR or excessive call retry alerts. This means your subscribers had trouble connecting calls and they had to retry several times. Quest alerts or quality of user experience alerts is 36% of 7,295 alerts, which means your subscribers are extremely unhappy with their overall calling experience. Let's say you want to monitor call quality for your premium customers. We deeply care about our premium customers. They are the most profitable customers and we want to keep them happy. See, 70% of total alerts were your premium customers. Since you have SLAs with your premium or gold customers, you would have to resolve these alerts at your earliest. CQM will help you meet your SLAs. These two charts show time distribution by week. This chart on the left gives you distribution of alerts by alert type on a weekly basis. I can clearly see that week of April 23rd is the worst with over 1,000 alerts. There are close to 812 ECR alerts. Ecd Alerts are 104. PAQ alerts were 28. And Quest alerts were 189. Your subscribers or customers face call drops and had troubles connecting and suffer from poor audio quality. The chart on the right gives you the distribution of call quality alerts, call quality route removals on a weekly basis. Call quality route removals are high priority alerts that need your immediate attention. For the week of 23rd, CQ alerts were 1,113 alerts. High priority alerts were 316. You can also look at the KPIs. IPsoft is setting trends in formulating new KPIs that reflect your customer's calling experience accurately. The chart allows you to see Quest scores, PAQ score, Ecd Score, and ECR score aggregated for a week. The quality of service score is a score between 0 and 1, 1 being the highest and 0 being the lowest. You have set a negotiated SLA at a score of 0.4 for your premium customers. This chart tells you that you have not met your SLA for Quest for week 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. PAQ SLA have also been missed. ECD and ECR scores are not good either. ECR is extremely low, also close to 0.2. Now let's see how CQM helps you isolate the problems in your network. You will see our first use case. You are from the NOC and you want to monitor one or more base stations to make sure that the subscribers calling off of these base stations have no call quality issues. CQM will help make your job easier. Let's go with the source report. For a national carrier, the source is a base station. For an international carrier, the source could be a customer that originates traffic. Enter the source you want to monitor. Notice you don't have to type in the source. They are auto-populated. The solution identifies and displays the base stations that generate most alerts. Let me select the base station that is generating most alerts here. Let me change the time interval for the report for the last 15 or 16 days and hit search. For this base station, the total alerts were 1,717 for 16 days. Now you can see the snapshot of alerts for this base station. 55% of alerts from this base station are due to poor audio. Subscribers calling off of this base station face poor audio quality like one-way audio, jitter, and call drops. The overall quality of user experience was poor, which constitutes 35% of the total alerts. This histogram shows you that your premium customers off of this base station have most call quality alerts. The bottom two charts shows the daily distribution of alerts. If you want an hourly distribution, you can zoom in and select a specific date. May 19th and May 20th had the highest number of alerts, with PAQ being the most prominent alert off of this base station. And here is Actionable Insight. See how the call traffic has dropped by 75% due to call quality issues. It tells you your subscribers with call quality issues have switched to an alternate mode of communication. That's what premium customers will do. The traffic slowly reduces and eventually will lead these subscribers to churn. Poor audio, echo, and one-way audio generally occurs when there's capacity issue. It could be that a base station cannot handle load during peak hours. Ecd Alerts or ECR alerts occur when there is a coverage issue. Your subscribers could be in transit and the handoff from one base station to another causes excessive call drops and call retries. CQM help identify such issues in your network. So let's deep dive into these alerts for this base station. Let's switch to the grid view and select any date. We will select the 16th. This is the call quality grid page. On the 16th, subscribers off of this source base station had call quality issues calling subscribers off of the destination base station. The subscribers here are premium customers. If the calls are going to a local subscriber, the destination is your local wireless network. The last two columns, the call quality alerts or CQ alerts and call quality route removals or CQ route removals, tells you how egregious the call quality issue is. You want to see other base stations for this date? You can do that as well. These are all call quality cases for the 16th. Let me filter premium customers. Let's further deep dive and find if the SLAs are met for this premium route. Let's select call quality metrics and hit Go To. This is the call quality metrics page, which shows you the time distribution of the alerts and the KPIs for each of the alerts. Every 30 minutes, the solution processes the CDRs from your CDR mediation engine, and the 11 algorithms run in parallel to detect call quality issues. You can see that this route has 18 alerts. The alerts are initially seen for every couple of hours, and later they progress to every 30 minutes. Subscribers here initially face poor audio issues. Eventually, they experience call drops and the overall quality of calling experience dropped as well. Let's select the worst metric being reported for Quest or call quality of user experience. Let me select this alert where subscribers had poor audio quality, call drops, and overall quality of user experience was also poor. Let's find out the root cause. This is the detailed call quality metrics page. The subscribers face audio quality issues and excessive call drops. PAQ score was 0.07 and Ecd score was 0.13. In the portal, we have only included the evidence that will resonate with what the subscriber faces. The detailed statistical evidence is in the logs, which are hidden from the UI. Let's look at the evidence in the portal. The signature metric is the norm for this destination. The route metric is the observed behavior or the observed anomaly. People on an average from this source base station to this destination base station talk more than 13 minutes on a weekday. But on the 16th, your subscribers were only able to talk for 62 seconds. That reflects that there was capacity issues in your network. Let's look at Ecd Score. Disruption or call drops was as high as 25%. These subscribers who face call drops would have been extremely upset. Norm for this destination is just 3%. Next step is the Actionable Intelligence. Let's do a network analysis and find what is the root cause for this PAQ, Ecd, and Quest alerts. Let's click on View Analysis. This PDF network analysis view is auto-generated by the solution and shows you the part of your network topology that currently has problems. These represent cell sites of the base stations. You can see that the issue is with the calls originating off of this base station, which is highlighted in red. PAQ alert means that this base station cannot handle the load during peak hours for your premium customers. Ecd alerts or ECR alert occurs when there is a coverage issue. Your subscribers could be in transit, and the handoff from one base station to another causes excessive call drops and call retries. If your CDR specifies the granularity on a transceiver level or device level, CQM will identify more granular information. So now you found your worst route, your subscriber's experience, whether your SLAs were met or not, and the actionable intelligence to remediate your call quality issues.